Here's something Garmin executives said publicly not that long ago. Smart rings just don't make sense for a company like theirs. Watches offered better accuracy, better profitability, and rings were mostly about comfort. But imagine the surprise when a government certification database quietly listed a brand new product called the Garmin CIRQA Smart Ring. Yeah, this comes right after Garmin's first screenless wearable, the Garmin CIRQA Smart Band, which already told us the company was willing to experiment outside its usual watch-shaped comfort zone. Today, we're breaking down where this filing actually came from, why it's more credible than your average leak, and what it might mean if Garmin really is stepping into the smart ring space. And honestly, the source behind this one is what makes it worth paying attention to. This isn't a retailer listing that got pulled early, and it isn't something pulled out of an app's code. Seriously, the discovery comes from an Indonesian government certification database filed under PT Garmin Indonesia Distribution, with the product listed under the fitness category and manufactured in Taiwan. The product name on that filing is reportedly listed as the Garmin CIRQA Smart Ring, and because this is coming from an actual regulatory record rather than speculation, it carries a lot more weight than most rumors floating around right now. Impressed? That said, certifications like this typically confirm that a product exists, not what's inside it. So right now there's no reliable word on sensors, sizing, materials, battery life, charging, or pricing, which means the excitement here is really about confirmation, not detail. What makes this filing stand out is how directly it contradicts Garmin's own past comments on this category. Executives had previously downplayed the idea of a ring, pointing to accuracy and margins as reasons smartwatches made more sense for the business. Yeah, a certification like this suggests that position may have quietly changed, or that Garmin's been developing something in this space regardless of what was said publicly before. For a lot of users, a ring genuinely solves a different problem than a watch does. Some people just don't want another screen on their wrist, and getting Garmin's health tracking in a smaller, screenless form could be exactly what closes that gap. The real question is how Garmin plans to position this next to the wearables it already sells. If you already picked up the Garmin CIRQA Smart Band, you're probably wondering whether you should have waited this one out. Honestly, we don't have a clean answer yet. The ring could end up working alongside a Garmin watch, the same way the band does, layering extra tracking without replacing anything you already wear. Or Garmin could position it as a standalone option for people who specifically don't want a wrist-based device at all. Until Garmin says something official, both of those paths are still on the table, and honestly, either one would make sense given how the rest of the lineup has grown. The certification itself doesn't include a launch date, but filings like this usually don't happen until a company is fairly far along in development. If Garmin follows a typical post-certification timeline, a release in the coming months isn't out of the question, which puts late 2026 realistically on the table. Or Garmin could just as easily hold the Garmin CIRQA Smart Ring back and use it to open next year instead. Either way, this filing is the strongest signal yet that Garmin's ring ambitions are more than just talk. So that's where things stand. A real filing, a real product name, and still a lot of unanswered questions. Would you actually pick a ring over a watch for your everyday tracking? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like if this cleared things up, and subscribe so you catch it the second Garmin makes this official. Because if this certification is any indication, the CIRQA lineup might just be getting started.